Osmo Action 4 DJI, 320 pounds. And this is DJI 2, this model Action 5 Pro, 409 pounds. And for these cameras, 300. I forget the name of this. And this is so cool, so professional. But this one, the same, 5, Action 5. I don't know the price of this. I'm not searching about drones, but you can see the prices if you want. You are interested the prices. These are. And headphones, JBL, new shape, so cheap. But when I was in Turkey, it was so expensive. See myself. AirPods. I'm seeing the AirPods. What's the price? Um, 230 pounds. Hmm. Oh, this is Dyson. What's the price? 450 pounds. I don't like the shape, but I don't know. I don't have any idea about the sounds when you want to listen. Yeah, I really like beats. Let's see. These are JBL speakers. These are stand for camera. And this is another brand. This is GoPro. Let me show you. This is the price. About batteries or stands, I don't know this. For belts, yeah. This is the accessory of that. These are the cameras. Hero, GoPro, 169, 170 pounds. But you should buy the stand separately. These are just about the cameras prices. The accessory is separate. And we sell here. Let's see another aisle. Now I just found the beats, but not about this. What's the price? 159. If I want to buy this shape, more beautiful, the same. I didn't see the black. Inside of this is leather. Quality so good. I don't know about Dyson because I didn't hear the sound of Dyson, but I heard this and I know the quality is so amazing. And about AirPods, Fit Pro Beats Black, 150. It's not so much expensive. It's good. 200 pounds or 150. And these are for TV or speakers, cinema speakers and TV. Oh, so cool. Let's see the price of the TV. 1,350. LG. What's the 75, I think, inches? OLED. What's the price? 4,569 pounds. LG. Now I want to go upstairs or elevator. Let's see.
Lift going up.
Yes. You can watch me, guys.
Level 1.
Oops.
Doors opening.
Coffee maker. Let's see the price of this make. This one, 150 pounds. I think near to $200. This one. Or this for bread maker, 150. For example, this 1,300 LG side by side shape. This is Harrier 2000. I don't know the brand. These are Samsung, maybe out of stock. This is Bush, 1,000 pounds. This is Beko, 850. And this is me. What's the brand? 450. Hoover, Harrier, 850. Hot Point, 370. I don't know the quality. This is Beko, 270. This is another color of these two. The black one. Why I didn't see? Let's go by stairs this time. Going down more easier than going up. I think I showed you some of the stuffs. It's enough because the video will be so long. If you have any question, please write for me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I really love you and I'm searching and so struggling for taking video. Be with me and love you so much, guys.